Shibenta jong ka jingyalap sheki nongshong jong kari India hi borok kawai, halor ka kot ka kia. Kawai na kajaka sumar nongpang kabarang shupli thamai dangshen, hakini kanong ba Shillong, kabalatip kum ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center, kan penlong ya ka mega health awareness camp, hakilai sngi lente. Yakini ka camp en penlong hakini kanong ba Shillong, naduk ka shipau haduk ka khat arterik mentau benaya yong arjar arpusan. Hakini ke hospital kabadon hagoralain lain kra Shillong. Hakaba in one ban Eksamin A ban wat jingpang haki nongshong shnong Khubor deki doktor bapau niki Apollo Hospital bapau na keleng kari. Kajing Eksamin Khlem Jingsiew ki Paidbah kan long ha ka khatway terik nadu Khubor khatway baje min step hadu saw baje kanok phai sngi. Bat ha ka sngi ka babot kata ka khat arterik en ai jing hikai ki Paidbah bat ki Samla pule halor kumno ban ai ka jingerap ka bakerke ha ki surak habadon ki bakhepang ni ki jing mensaw ni ki jing tingkho kali bat ki wei ki jingja.
As part of our activities that we have lined up on the occasion of the World Health, celebrating the World Health Week, we are doing, as Udayji has said, that we are doing a lot of awareness talks. Right. One of the awareness talks that we are doing is in SBI, State Bank of India. Tomorrow, that is on 10th April, we are doing with SBI. We are also doing a health talk with Shillong. So the super specialty doctors from Apollo Kolkata, Apollo Guwahati, they will be delivering the health talks. On 11th April, we are doing a free health screening camp and consultation with our doctors. Right. These are all the super specialty doctors will be coming from our various units of Apollo, be it Calcutta, be it Guwahati, who will be here to do a free consultation for the citizens of Meghalaya. So everybody is welcome to come and join the free screening camp, where they will be screened for their basic parameters and they can actually meet the super specialist doctor right here in Apollo Shillong. On 11th only, at around 7 o'clock, we are having a CME meet in collaboration with MMSA Meghalaya, and that basically we are inviting all the doctors of Shillong, where again the specialist doctors from our various units will be discussing about the health topics. On 12th, we are having a basic life support training given to students, to colleges, to NCC, to police, to Bharat Scouts and Guides. Again, that's a free training will be provided at Apollo Center, conducted by Apollo Guwahati, specialists from Apollo Guwahati.